I was making a video. Oh, my heart's melting. Okay, bye guys. Hello y'all, welcome back to the channel. Okay, you guys, so as you can see, my hair is wet because I'm gonna be showing you I got a new hairstyling tool. Okay, so I wanted to try it, of course, first time on camera here. So you guys know I love my head candy products, all my hair tools, hair products. This right here, I have been dying to try this, you guys. This is called Commitment Issues. Let me just show you. It's got 5 different attachments. And so it's basically like getting a blowout at home. Like instead of having to go to the salon and get your hair blown out, like you got this tool and you got so many different attachments that you can use with it. And I've been like dying to try it, okay? So, let's open this baby up and see what we got, shall we? Like, look at the box, look at the packaging. The packaging is so cute, like, it's so cute. So first and foremost, here is the handle. I did go with the black and rose gold just because I have my 1-inch mist press flat iron that is the black and rose gold, so of course I had to keep the theme going. This is the cord. It is all kind of wound up here. There, it's got like the Velcro strap, and then here is the plug-in down here. So it does look more like a blow dryer type style plug-in. This is literally my first time opening it, so I'm like telling you guys all of this as I'm learning here. Sorry, I'm testing out here. So it looks like down here, it's got off, low, middle, and high. And this is how you turn it to change the settings, okay? So, as I'm like reading it, so then it looks like here is the lock and unlock. So you'll start it in the unlock position, slide it on there, and then to get it off, it looks like this is the push button, and then you will release it. Okay, so this is the attachment that I was like really excited about with this hair tool, because when I worked like behind the chair in the salon, I loved the look that you could get with a nice round brush. Yes, yes. Sorry, the screen's black back there, so you can barely like see it. But this attachment right here, this is like a round brush, okay? It's got the boar bristles down below, and then it's got some of the other, more of like the synthetic bristles out here, okay? It looks like the core of it is metal, which is actually nice because once the metal heats up, it's almost like it's ironing your hair as well. So it smooths it out while still adding volume. But to get massive volume in clients' hair, when I worked behind the chair, I would always round brush their hair first and then like do whatever, you know, straightening, curling, whatever. But round brushing was my jam. I was queen of some blowouts, okay? Because I did a lot of ladies' blowouts and their hair would just be like volume for days, babe. Volume queen, okay? So it looks like here. Okay, so there are 2 little slots right here, and then when you look in here, there's also 2 little divots here. So obviously you line those up. Sorry, there we go. So there's the unlock one right here. I don't have it locked right now. The unlock button, or the unlock symbol right here, and then the lock symbol right here. So once you get it slid into place, then you turn it towards the lock one, and then it's locked in place, okay? So then it looks like to take it off, you just push that button, and then you're able to turn it to the left and take it off. It's super easy. I figured it out just now. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let me show you the other attachments, and then I'm going to use this to blow dry my hair, and we're gonna see what it does, okay? Okay, so this is one of the other attachments. This one is really nice. So this is probably going to be a little bit more for like maybe shorter hair. I mean, you can use it with longer hair, but this is probably going to help smooth it out, kind of straighten it, almost like if you were to take a regular brush with your blow dryer and just like pull it smooth. That's what this is going to do. And it's nice because it has bristles on the side too, so you're not going to like lose any of those little hairs. So That one's really nice. Now, this attachment is going to be like a smaller round brush. So if you're wanting to add a little bit more of like the flips to it, you know how like you'll see like blowouts that have like the real like swoopy bang and like all of that, that's what this is going to be for. And you can even like do a style of blowout where you'll heat up the hair, blow dry it, and then set this in place. Once you take it off, you can roll it back down, clip it with pins, and let it cool like that. And when you let it down, it's got beautiful like soft curls. So I'm excited about this one too. Okay, this one's the big one. So this one legitimately is going to be like blow drying your hair with a brush, okay? But instead of having to have the brush and the blow dryer, all you got is this. So then you're just going through the hair like this, it's smoothing it, and it's getting it dry and adding nice shine to it. So this is just like a paddle brush here, okay? And it's got the holes in there so the airflow can come through. Okay. Okay, and then the last attachment here, this one is just if you kind of want to use a concentrator. So that's what this is. This is a concentrator. Reason being it called that is that it concentrates the airflow in a certain direction, okay? So when you're blow drying, like if you just like, you can like say, like I have been parting my hair like right around here. And so like what I'll do is I'll flip it over, like you can blow dry this way, and then you can also turn it, blow dry this way. And then that's going to give you a lot of lift, but it's going to give you controlled volume. So it's not going to be frizzy. It's more so going to kind of help push down the cuticle of the hair, and it's going to smooth it out, but still give you some nice volume and some nice shine. So without further ado, I am going to try this bad boy. I will do some other videos on trying some of the other attachments, but I'm really excited about trying this one. So we're gonna try that, get this hair dry, and then I'm gonna go to bed. Cause y'all, let's just say, YouTuber life here, my little guy, he didn't wanna go to bed. So, say hi. Can you wave? He didn't want to go to bed without mom, so we're having a clingy night. It's fine. It's fine. I'll take the cuddles. So yes, he's hanging out. He's like, I be quiet. I'm like, oh, you'll be quiet? Yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's get this on here and let's get going and try this so I can go to bed. Okay, so just to prep my hair a little bit, this is what I normally do, even just with my regular blow dryer. I do grab the Gal Pal mousse here. Okay, this is the Gal Pal. You only need a little squirt of it and it swells up like that, but you don't want to put it on your hair when it's all like puffed up like that. So I just kind of break it down in my hands to where it almost looks like there's nothing on there. And I just work it into the areas that I want to be more volumized, so kind of in the crown area, up in where like my bangs, my facial framing are. I just work that into the base there. And then I will grab my third wheel, also nicknamed Jesus Juice because it smells amazing. So I like to kind of spritz this through my hair. This does everything from, it's a leave-in conditioner, it's a heat protectant, it's, oh, what isn't it? Anti-frizz, anti-humidity, like everything. You don't have to spray that much in your hair, but I wanted to get mine kind of wet down. Last but not least is the Smooth Talker. Okay, this is the keratin amino argan oil. And so I just like submerge it on my hands. I did 2 pumps, okay? And then I just put a little bit on my mid-shaft ends. I don't like to put this at like on the scalp or anything, but if I want it on like my bang area, I'll pick it up off the scalp and I will just go like this, okay? Okay, so I'm prepped and ready to go here. So only other thing I'll do, I'll just go through, brush it all through just to make sure that I have it all nice and evenly dispersed through the hair, okay? All right, so then I'm going to section it off a little bit just because it's a little bit easier to work with smaller sections here. And then I will use the crop clips here. These are also from Kandy. I do really like these because they're very strong. I used to use crop clips a lot when I worked behind the chair, and I would like go through them like they were candy. So I've been through a lot of like the cheaper brands, and it just, they broke real easy. So I'd get new crop clips like 3 to 4 times a year at least, And with these, I've had these croc clips for going on 2 years. So here is, when it's plugged in, there is a blue light right here. So then here's, okay. So there are the settings. So I'm probably gonna go on high because that's just me. I like to do everything real quick. Let's go, let's go. I feel like I'm ready for the runway. Okay. I'm getting tired now, y'all. But you guys, seriously, for those of you that love to have that nice, light, fluffy feel of like a fresh blowout, but you don't want to go to the salon every week, holy cannoli, like you need this in your life. I am so ecstatic right now because blow drying just got like 20 times easier. At least if you want that round brush feel and look to it. So I am like seriously so excited to try some of the other attachments now. Like I'm mind blown, seriously. Blow drying game just got taken to the next level, y'all. Like look at the shine, look at how much volume. Like I have very, very straight flat hair. So this is a lot of volume, okay? Okay. Okay, so for the volume factor, like I said, I did prep with the Gal Pal Mousse, okay? The third wheel and the Smooth Talker Argan Oil. Both of these are going to be more of like your smooth, like conditioning, adding shine, like heat protectant type products. And then this is going to be for your volume, okay? So that's what I prepped with. And you guys, I'm so excited. I'm gonna wake up and have fluffy hair tomorrow. So like I said, if you're looking for a tool that you don't have to like be using like a round brush or blow dryer, like all of that stuff, like hands down, yes, I am so ecstatic and I'm so happy I finally broke down and got this tool. Oh my gosh. So we will provide the link down below. I am an affiliate with Head Kandy, so I do make a small percentage of purchases on that link. I appreciate every single person that that purchases through that link, and I don't recommend products that I don't actually use and love. So just a heads up. So yeah, I'm a huge fan. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, now I am gonna go get this little dude in bed. He's still just chilling, hanging out with mom. He's being a good boy. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions about anything that I used or techniques that I was using while using the Commitment Issues blow dryer here, just let me know, drop them down in the comments, and I would love to respond. Otherwise, don't forget, smash that subscribe button before you leave, and I will see you all next video. Bye guys.